Let's start. Open an Excel document with 6 spreadsheets. The first spreadsheet will be used to do the analysis of the entire week, and therefore we will name this spreadsheet Summary Time Log, and the rest of the spreadsheets will be used to analyze the data from the daily time logs. Tom has named them Time Log Day 1, Time Log Day 2, up until Time Log Day 5. The next step is to transfer the data from your time logs into the Excel document the way Tom has. In the following link, you'll be able to download the Excel template. It will take about 20 minutes to do so. After that, we recommend to do an analysis for every single day as well as for the entire week. After you have transferred the data from your time logs to the Excel document, we will explain how to do the analysis of them. In order to show you how to do the analysis, we'll be using Tom's time log. Now, we'll use the Pivot Tables tool to analyze the data. We're aware that some of you might now have used the Pivot Table tool before, so the next few minutes will be used to show you how to use this exceptionally useful tool. Number 1, click on Insert and then click on Pivot Table. Number 2, you need to select the data that you want to be analyzed. So in our case, you need to select the entire table. Choose Existing Worksheet and then select the location where you want your pivot table to be placed in the worksheet, and then press OK. Number 3. Now make 2 pivot tables. For the first pivot table, choose the Value field and then place in the Rows box, and choose Duration of Activities and place in the Values box. This pivot table shows the time spent on high value added activities, medium value added activities, low value added activities, and non-value added activities. In our case, Tom spends 170 minutes on high value added activities in a day, 45 minutes on medium value added activities, 140 minutes on low value added activities, and 125 minutes on non-value added activities. Number 4. Now let's do this process again. Press Insert, then Pivot Table, then select the table, select the location, and now for the second pivot table, choose the Category field and place it in the Rows box, and place the Field Duration of Activities in Values box. Number 5. From this table, you can see the time you spent on different activities and the percentage of time you spent working on non-value added activities. In Tom's case, we notice that he spends 85 minutes of his time on activities related to emails, and 85 minutes of his time is spent on meetings. To get a better visualization, we suggest we create pie charts. Number 6. So click on the pivot table, then click on Insert, then on Pie Chart, and select the 2D pie chart. Now click on the pie chart, and then on the Design, and choose Pie Chart with Percentage. Do the same for the second pivot table. This way, you'd be able to find out how you use your time in a day, and you'd be in a position to see why some days you work overtime and still aren't able to finish all the obligations you may have. Repeat this analysis for the other days to see in which days you have the most non-value added activities and in which days you have the most free time, so you'll be able to ask your superior for an extra activity. In the next clip, we'll show you how to do the summary analysis for the entire week.